Greetings, all eyes. How are all the eyes doing out there? Got the green smoothie, Ashe. Greetings, all eyes. How are all the eyes doing on this lovely, blissful day? We are about to make us another green juice. So it's gonna kind of be the same ingredients, but not. It's gonna be a little bit different up in there. So we rinsed all of our greens that we're going to be having. So we're having some cucumbers again. This time we're adding some celery. What other things is new? We're adding some parsley. Again, that's not really new. But the other new things that we're adding is some pumpkin seeds. So pumpkin seeds, celery, and we're going to be having some soursop in there too. So we have some soursop, and as the liquid base, instead of putting like water, we have some soursop juice that we're going to put in there, and some pumpkin seeds and celery. Everything else is what we put in our last green juice. So check that last green juice out too, and make that one and make this one. So yeah, let's get started. Let's cut all the skin off of our fruit. So we're making us another green juice. We're also adding some sea moss to this too. So we have some sea moss gel already made up that we're going to be adding to this. While our lentil stew is cooking, we're going to be having this drink with it as well. So this green juice with it. So I'm excited about that. So we're using 2 cucumbers, probably 2 apples, 2 kiwis, 2 stalks of celery. So let me know in the comments if y'all made that last green juice. That green juice was really, really, really good. This is probably going to be like a smoothie. I'm not going to strain it out or nothing. So this is just going to be a smoothie, green smoothie. So we're going to put our pumpkin seeds in there at the bottom. Alright, so we got our celery stalks. These green leaves are really, really good to have in there. I really don't be getting celery like that, but you know, I read up on it and stuff, and then I seen Dr. Yaki Awakening talking about celery, and I'm like, really? You be using celery? So I know he did his research, so he don't just be regurgitating information and stuff. So I really trust Dr. Yaki Awakening. So I'm putting some celery in there. Let's put some more. You can eat celery raw, though. I like it in a smoothie or in a juice. I really don't care for celery like that. So we're going to do the best we can and make a juice out of it. If it's too thick, I'm just going to... So I'm putting 1 of everything in there because I might have to do 2. Yeah, that kiwi's sour. I thought it was going to be sweet, but... I'm going to put 2 kiwis in there. 1 apple, because I think that's going to suffice. Alright, I put one cucumber already, so I'm trying to put it all even. Yeah, I'm like, let me run this green juice back because I'm on my cycle, so this is like my fasting time. I don't eat nothing fried. I don't eat no starch, no fried foods or nothing. I really really be trying to do smoothies and juices. But my womb was like, I want a lentil soup today, so I'm like, okay, let's do a lentil soup. Because really, I wasn't going to do nothing. But saute me some green. I'm going to put 2 apples in there. I'm going to put this parsley in there, fresh parsley. Then I got dried out parsley. So we got some fresh parsley from the garden. I'm going to put that in there. The apple's yummy. It really is. I love me some green apples. And the green ones is really cleansing too.
I want green ones too.
The ones that's not sweet.
I want green apples.
Yeah, I'm making the juice out of it. I'm making a smoothie out of it.
Like smoothie?
Here. You want to come and eat the fruit. And I'm like, I'm making a smoothie out of it. This is going to be a juice, a green juice for him. I'm taking the seeds out. I'm putting some sea moss in there as well. Some sea moss, some spirulina, some stuff from the ocean. You know, we gotta have that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of sea moss at the top. That's a little bit too much. Alright. So let's go to our supplements. Spirulina. I'll put some spirulina in there. Hemp seeds. Alright. And moringa powder. Put in moringa. Some moringa powder in there. Alright, and we got some fresh soursop juice from the farmer's market. I'm going to add that soursop juice in there. Soursop juice is very antioxidant. Alright, let's give it a blend. Alright, we might just leave this, go ahead and leave this as a smoothie. I'm not going to strain it out or nothing. Oh yeah, we're definitely using this as a smoothie. Uh-oh. CJ's Therapeutic Touch Smoothies. Now you want the smoothie too?
Yes.
yeah, that's smooth.
Together.
That's smooth. I can taste the celery right off the bat.
Smoothie together.
Yeah, yeah, I can definitely taste the celery. The pumpkin seeds making it thick. So everything is smooth, nothing's crunchy. I don't have to chew nothing. So yeah, I like that. This was a good one. Y'all make y'all some smoothies, make y'all some juices, make y'all a smoothie bowl. So this is just a quick little smoothie bowl that I'm making for me and Eve. So I have us some dates, and then I'm putting some chia seeds on there. These are some cranberries, and then I previously made some strawberries and coconut milk, little ice cream. So I'm gonna put that up in there too. Egypt loves those. So this is our breakfast today. I'm just sharing a moment of what we're doing. So this is Egypt's. Here's mine. I'm finally rocking in there. I mixed everything in, so. Oh, how you like it? You like it?
Yeah.
She says she like it. Okay, let me taste mine. See, I got the strawberry coconut ice cream. Look at them. The date. You got dates in there. You got your cranberries in there, dates, sunflower seeds, coconut milk. Oh, I forgot the coconuts. That's crazy. She didn't take the coconut off hers already, but I put coconut on top. Are you stirring yours up? You love the coconut?
Yeah,
But yeah, y'all. Get this and gratitude for y'all tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all making in the comments.